It's a remarkable moment in life when two people realize that they can't live without each other. When they decide they want to spend the rest of their lives together. When they decide that they want to make a commitment to each other, to express and share their love for each other in front of family and friends. Marriage is a promise made by two people who love each other. It grows and changes with life. When two people pledge to love and care for each other, they forge a bond unique to themselves. A bond that is true and as strong as the love you hold for each other. Marriage creates a sanctuary where love can be nurtured, a safe place from life's storms. Remember this moment in time, and please answer this question. Do you, Ryan, promise Lauren to love, honor, cherish, and protect her from this day forward, in whatever circumstances life may hold for you, to give her comfort, companionship, patience, respect, and understanding, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I call on those present to witness that I, Lauren Hillary Jones, take you, Ryan Samuel Halverson, to be my lawfully wedded husband. To have and to hold from this day forward in whatever experience life may hold for us.
The ring is a symbol of the unbroken circle of love. Love freely given has no beginning and no end. As you look at these rings over the years, always remember that you created something invaluable.
Lauren, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment.
For today and tomorrow, and for all the days to come.
And how do we define love? An intense feeling of deep affection, a feeling of deep attachment, a strong or constant affection for a person, feelings of being attracted to or close to a person, to a deeply committed and connected to someone.
'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
Ryan and Lauren, you have come here today of your own free will and have declared your love and commitment to each other. You have given and received a ring as a symbol of your commitment. By the power of your love and the support of your witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Halverson.
'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. You can always trust in me. I'll show you a life that he can't see. You'll become who you've always wanted to be. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes